brand some strip lights on the wall. They even beautify outside. How much do I owe you?
Well, consider it a gift. You know, real estate and construction in that field, some designing is required, and that's a part of my expertise. So, just wanted the place to look just right.
Well, I'm not comfortable taking gifts of that magnitude and not giving something back.
Nicey, when you were a child and Santa gave you a gift, did you pay him back for it?
Bizzle, Santa don't come to the ghetto. And I am running a business. People don't normally do things without getting anything in return.
Well, Nicey, I'm not financially embarrassed, so I don't need to take anything from you.
Bizzle, what do you think about me making you a partner? With conditions.
What are the conditions?
It would last until I pay you back for all you have spent, with a small interest.
Well, if that's what makes you happy, then that will make me happy, so I'm good.
It's not about being happy. It's about doing the right thing. I'll get the papers drafted up and we can sign on it.
Nicey. Usually, we shake hands on a deal like this.
Pearl! Pearl! Can you hear me? Pearl, wake up! Pearl! No.
You're sleeping, soldier. Didn't you notice the bottle was still sealed?
Pearl, what you do?
Oh, you know you're talking to Pearl and not Wasp.
Cause the two are the same person.
No, we're not. Pearl is the person you are turned into a monster who is now Wasp.
You all? What do you mean by that?
You're a part of the Agency Nightmare program. You could be in on this too.
What? I was programmed just like you.
Or you could just be telling me that to get close to me.
You serious?
As a heart attack. Who do you know to activate me? And why?
To show you what was done to you.
How do you know the code works, Stinger?
Miss Brissett helped me to access the files that have the codes to programming.
Aren't those files classified?
Yes, but she got a drive from Cynthia which had the files on it, some of which were encrypted.
It doesn't matter anyway, but the persons responsible for this are going to pay.
Don't do this, Pearl. It's not worth it. Listen.
I wouldn't do that, Stinger. Keep your distance.
This is a mistake, babe. Let's talk about it.
Did they send you here to talk me down?
You think I'm a negotiator?
Maybe. Bubbles was used to buy time, and you're here to negotiate.
Don't you have any memories of us together?
Yes, I remember the assignments.
Not the assignments, Pearl. Us. The two agents that fell in love.
No, nothing.
But the last time I was here, you said you remember when we were in Barbados and you thought I got shot.
That was the memory of an agent being concerned about her partner getting hurt.
And Brazil?
The last thing I remember is the door being kicked in and an explosion.
That's it? And you don't remember nothing before that?
Just Barbados.
Okay. Now me know why them two memories are so significant.
Why?
Barbados was the first place I told you that I had feelings for you. And you were shocked that I had those type of feelings.
And Brazil?
The first place that we made love. And we were talking about leaving the agency and starting a life together. And you even went as far as to tell me that you had something to tell me. That's when they came for us.
I remember. I had something very important to tell you. Just don't remember what it was. Who came for us?